안녕하세요. Yes, you read that right. From the title itself, I'm gonna unbox a gift from my... If you're interested, just keep on watching. So, the gift is here. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, this is the box. It says this side up. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Hindi ko sure kung ready na akong buksan siya. Okay, so ngayon, I feel like I'm ready na. Okay, let's start na lang. Hindi ko lang pa yung kita. Wait. So, I don't know kung mag-work yung ganitong angle. Without further ado, let's just open this one. Let's do this. I'm crying. Mostly, I think it's food. Kasi yun yung kailangan ko, guys. I need donations. I need food. Okay, let me just show it to you. So this is from Japan, and mostly, no, actually all of them are Japanese item, which is I have no idea. Wala din siyang English subtitle. Sorted candy. Is that grape? Grape and orange. So, ano ba? I hate the sunlight. Let's change location. This is not good. Another candy too. I'm not familiar here kasi chocolate siya. Which is, I am not a fan of chocolate. Next one. This one is, again, I have no idea. Okay. I really have no idea. Nakapagsabi kasi sa akin isang friend din na nasa Japan siya. Wala siyang English subtitle sa baba ng mga sa grocery store and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe it's all basically candies. Oh, I have this Pocky matcha flavor.
So I changed the camera angle.
Let's continue. Oh, this is cool. This looks fancy. It smells nice too. Next one is this Irish cream truffles. Irish cream chocolate. So it's a milk chocolate truffles with Irish cream liquor. English siya, hindi siya. I think it's... What happened here? They opened the box! Let me read this note from them. Apology from Canada Post Corporation. Dear customer, we sincerely regret that your mail item is damaged. It was found in this condition in the mail stream. We realize your mail is important to you, and we are always concerned when mail entrusted to our care is damaged. We continue to improve our processing methods to help reduce occurrences of mail damage in our system. You may call Canada Post, or visit their website. If liability coverage applies, please note the packaging and content may be required. We apologize for your inconvenience. Sincerely, Canada Post. Kaya may butas sa gilid. Kala ko fancy siya kasi may plastic. Sample na siya. Hindi na siya maganda yung itsura niya. Siguro, natabunan or something like that. Pero yun, pinlastic na para hindi lalong masira. So, lahat ng stuff na dito ay naka-plastic na. So, nakita nila yun! That's funny, X. That's so funny. Okay, fine. So, this one is drinks naman siya. It says Sapporo. This is how it looks like. I don't know, this one is like, it looks like a kitty drink or something. So, yung mga naka-plastic dito, hindi ko siya i-open. Pero meron ako isang plastic na i-open sa inyo just to show it to you. Because that's so funny. Next one. So, all of this ay beverage na. So, this one is a royal milk tea. This one is a strawberry chocolate bar. I don't know if you can see it. I just don't want to open the plastic kasi makalat. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look! Na-open siya! Like, this one. Ano siya? Can siya ng Grape and Chardonnay. Oh, masayang naman, uy. Na-open siya and wala na siyang laman. Nilagay pa nila sa plastic siguro for inventory purposes. I don't know. Pero, siguro sumabog siya. Sayang. Okay, so it's a cocktail partner. May alcohol din siya. It's 3% alcohol. So it looks like this. And this one is like, again, a cutie drink or something. So this one is a melon shake. The can, sobra na siya. Damaged na siya. Should I call them or what? I don't know. Look, I don't know. I want focus. I hate it. So this one is, it looks like this. So dalawa yung pinadala niya sa akin. I don't know if it has an alcohol or something. It has. It says 1% alcohol. So, okay. Okay, this second, I'm gonna just for you to see it. Camera won't focus. So this one is a Suntory. Again, it's a Japanese drink and it has 3% alcohol. And this one is again royal milk tea. So this is how it looks like. Yep. And the last one, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So this is basically a bunch of stuff inside this plastic. Oh my gosh, so isa na lang yung dumating. Isa lang pa talagang pinadala mo sa akin o kinuha nila or nasira or whatever. Yikes! Nabasa kasi itong mga to. And nilagay pa din nila kahit na damage siya. Pero ang weird. This is bunch of items over here. I'm not gonna show it to you yung iba. Pero this one, I'm gonna open. This one is so funny. Meron siyang laman inside na nakakatawa. Like, na nag-uusap kami. As in, sobrang tawa-tawa ako. And sabi niya, papadala niya daw to sa amin. Sabi niya, may dala din siyang maliliit na ganito. I mean, isasama niya sa box yung maliliit na ganito. Pero I think, wala. Or kinuha. I don't know. I don't want to drop names or whatever. Canada Posa. Open na. Ang baho! Ang baho, I swear. Maybe because of this one. Ang galing ko. Okay, so let's just start with this one. Australia's flag. Baho talaga. Hindi ako parang kiwi, but I'm gonna eat it for you, X. Next one is this. Wala na siya sa lalagyan. So, ganito na lang siya. And, oh god, sobrang sira na yung mga karton kasi nabasa talaga siya nung isang drink here. It's poking. Ano yung ano niya? Choco mint! Look naman yung tsura mo. Para siyang pinagsamantalahan. And sobrang durog na din siya. X naman. Di ka man lang bumili ng ano? Di ka man lang bumili ng bubble wrap or something? Look. Sira-sira siya. Ang baho niya pa. Grabe. Oh, again, meron pa ako ditong sira. So kasama siya. Tanggalin talaga siya sa lalagyan. This one. Andito siya dapat. And look. Sira na. Ano ba? Ano ba Canada Post? Or kasalanan din kasi may drinks. I don't know. Sobrang siyang parang sira na. Hindi na siya in their, normal state. This last item sa aking bag. Please don't judge us kasi syempre sa Japan ay liberated, stuff like that. Natatawa ako. Okay. I think I'm ready. This one. Tawa ako. It looks like, this is the candy na it looks like, sobrang funny kasi may head siya. It's like a mushroom, that's so funny. And this is the body. Sa Japan kasi again, liberated. And then meron siyang ganitong mga kind of candy. Meron ding keychain. Meron ding small candies like this. Pero bakit wala akong natanggap na ganitong candy? So, at least meron akong isa na hindi ko pa naman alam kung paano kainin. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Before I let you go, I just wanna clear na yung ex na tinatawag ko sa video ito at nagpadala na box of goodies ay ex ko na friend. Babae siya. She's my very good super friend. I love her and thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I love you, you know that. Ikaw lang sasabihin ko ng I love my ex. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.